Hello dear students, welcome back. Students, in our previous lecture, you study our fifth poem, The Six Honest Serving Men. In this lesson, you study students about the six honest serving men. Now, today's our lesson is sixth lesson. It's only a matter of practice. It's only matter of practice. It means that students, if anyone or a someone or a person have a practice in him in his skill, like we said it, you know that Sachin Tendulkar, he was a great cricket player. Okay, you know that Sachin Tendulkar, he was a great player because of his practice. He takes so many efforts of his career. He takes so many efforts of for his career to complete his dreams fulfill. That's why he has to do the practice. Students, if I want to tell you that about, if sometime in our school, every years our school organize the gathering, and that time, that's school gatherings, all all children are participate in that gathering, and that time so many competitions are held in our school, and some students are participate in running, some students are participate in football, some students are participated in lemon spoon, music chair. So many games you all are played in our school, and someone getting number and prizes and dance at the last competition is at the last, which competition? It is a dance competition. So students, sometime you all are taking a participate in the group dance. Okay, so you think you are participated, and on that time you all are give your performance? No, not at all. First you have to select your song. After that you all are practice of that song maximum 7 to 10th days. Okay, it means that it is a matter of practice. Students, if you want to if you want to give your best performance, so that's why you have to practice. You have to do the practice of that your song, and you have to make a perfect, or you have to perfect you have to make your performance perfect, and all you are get so many efforts for this. I just want to tell you, it's only matter of practice. It means that students, it is the only matter of practice. It means, we said it in Hindi, we call it abhyas. Practice means abhyas. Okay, so students, in this lesson you study a very simple and very short story. It is a belonging to the China. Okay, in this story, students, first you saw the picture. You saw this picture. Okay, you saw this. You saw this, students. In this picture are standing it two persons. First one is a Chen Yozi, who was a great archer, and second one is a common man. A common man. You see that who is a Chen Yozi? Who is a Chen Yozi? He carried a bow in his right hand, and in his back he carried a bow. Students, are and he was a great archer. Who is this Chen Yozi? Chen Yozi was a great archer, who was a great archer students. So this story is the belonging of this story is belonging to the Chen Yozi. So first I read the passage and you all are listen to very carefully what I pronounce the words, okay? What I pronounce the words. Long, long ago, in faraway China, there lived an archer called Chen Yozi. He was a very skilled archer and could perform wonderful feats of archery. He could hit the targets preciously at the center even when it was placed at a very long distance. He liked to show off his skill to the admiring crowds that gathered around him. Students, this story happens in long, long ago. It means so many years before. So many years ago, this story happens in China. So long, long ago in far away China. It means so many years ago in China, there lived an archer. There lived an archer, a person who was his name is a Chen Yozi. What is the name of his? His name is a Chen Yozi, and he was a very skilled archer. Very skilled archer means that students, skill means who had a skill means who has a knowledge about that thing which he study. If I told you Sachin Tendulkar, who was a great cricket player, Sachin Tendulkar, who was a great cricket player. So like that, Chen Yozi, he was also a great archer and very skilled archer, and he could perform wonderful feats of archery. He could hit the target preciously. He could perform wonderful feats of archery. It means that he was a great archer and he performed very wonderfully his archery. Archer means in Marathi we called it Dhanurdhar. What is it? Dhanurdhar. If you know that, students, in Mahabharat, if you know that, did you hear that? The name of a great students, if you know that in Mahabharat, who was a great archer, who is he? What is the name of him? He was a Arjun. Did you hear that? Did you hear that name? Arjun. Arjun. He was a great Dhanurdhar. Of course, Karna was also a great Dhanurdhar, but very well-known Dhanurdhar is Arjun. Karna was also a very great Dhanurdhar, a very great archer, but Arjun is a very great archer. Students, so here he was a Chen Yozi. Chen Yozi was a great archer and a very skilled archer, and he could perform wonderfully feats of archery. He shows his talent. He shows his talent very wonderfully. He performed wonderfully, and he shows his talent to the in the crowded and admiring crowded. He could hit the target preciously. Preciously means, students, exactly. If you know that, students, sometime you want to do anything, so that time you thought that about that thing, and that time so many efforts of you are taking so many efforts of this, and exactly what you want to do it, so that time you are do it very easily. So exactly means perfectly. So he could his target preciously at the center even when it was a place at a very long distance. He liked to show off his skill to admiring crowds that gathered around him. Students, I'll explain you in Hindi. Long ago, बहुत साल पहले की बात है स्टूडेंट्स, चाइना, बहुत दूर चाइना में एक व्यक्ति रहता था जिसका नाम चेन योजी है, और वो बहुत ही जाना माना आर्चर है. आर्चर मीन्स धनुर्धर. उसकी जो परफॉर्मेंस होती है स्टूडेंट्स, वो बहुत ही अच्छी होती है. वो जो उसकी आर्चरी की परफॉर्मेंस बहुत ही अच्छे से सबको दिखाता है. ही कुड हिट द टारगेट प्रेशियसली. एग्जैक्टली, मतलब वो जो आर्चरी, उसका जो नेम होता है सेंटर, अगर आपको मालूम हो तो, आपको गुलेर मालूम है? गुलेर, आप स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आप सबको मालूम होगा गुलेर. आप लोग कैसे गुलेर खेलते हो? गुलेर खेलते टाइम आप लोग कैसे अगर आपको किसी चीज़ को हिट करना हो तो आप लोग वो टाइम पे क्या करते हो? तो ये जो आर्चर है, ये खेल भी थोड़ा सा वैसा ही है. आर्चरी, ये गेम भी थोड़ा सा वैसा ही है. मतलब इसमें क्या होता है ना स्टूडेंट्स, एक व्यक्ति होता है जो अपने पास में जो बॉ होता है और जो एरोज होते हैं वो कैरी करता है, और उसमें से, उस बॉ में से, इट मीन्स दैट जो धनुष होता है उसमें से वो जो बाण होते हैं वो उसको छोड़ता है, और वो बाण उसने जहाँ पे निशाना पकड़ा हुआ होता है तो उसी निशाने पे उसको वो छोड़ने होते हैं, और एग्जैक्टली उसी निशाने पे जाके वो पहुंच जाते हैं. तो उसको बोला गया प्रेशियसली, मतलब टारगेट. अगर आपका जो गुलेर है, वो गुलेर भी थोड़ा सा, हम वैसा नहीं बोलेंगे आर्चरी टाइप, बट गुलेर अगर आप खेलते हो तो आपको मालूम होगा कि आपको गुलेर खेलते टाइम पे आप लोग वैसा ही करते हो. आप अपना निशाना पहले से, मतलब आपको कहाँ पे निशाना लगाना है, वो जगह, वो चीज़ आप लोग पहले डिसाइड कर लेते हो और फिर उस पर आप निशाना लगाते हो, और एग्जैक्टली आपका निशाना बिल्कुल उसी जगह पे जाके बैठता है. तो ये जो आर्चरी, मतलब ये जो धनुर्धर होते हैं, आर्चर जो होते हैं, वो भी वैसा ही करते हैं. वो एक ऐसा उनका टारगेट डिसाइड करते हैं, एक ऐसी जगह डिसाइड करते हैं, और उसी जगह पे उनका वो निशाना लगना चाहिए. उस हिसाब से वो उनके जो एरोज होते हैं वो छोड़ देते हैं. फिर वो डिस्टेंस, मतलब वो उनके और वो चीज़ के बीच में कितना भी बड़ा डिस्टेंस क्यों ना हो, ही लाइक टू शो ऑफ हिज स्किल. जो चेन योजी जो थे ना, ये ग्रेट आर्चर, उनको अपना ये जो स्किल है, मतलब उनका जो टैलेंट है, वो लोगों को दिखाना बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता था. स्पेशली कहाँ पे, जहाँ पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा भीड़ जमा हुई हो, और भीड़ वाली जगह पे उनको उनका टैलेंट दिखाना बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद था. So students, today's we are taking a one paragraph. We will continue this lesson in our next lesson. Okay, we will meet in our next lecture.